For this presentation, we have laid out labels that name the place values in the decimal system. We would invite the student to the mat. We would point out the units label and ask the student how we represent units in our classroom. In our classroom, the green bead represents the units. We are looking at the decimal system, so again, we are talking about increments of 10. I would ask the student if we went back to our units and multiplied 1 unit by 10. This is the tens label. How else we could represent the tens in our classroom? By the blue bead. Going back to our units, if we divided our 1 unit by 10, we could show the tenths place, and in our classroom that is represented by the blue disc. Units, tens. If we have our tens and we multiply that again by 10, we have the hundreds. That is represented in our classroom with a red bead. Dividing our tenths by 10, we now have the hundredths, represented by the red disc. 100 multiplied by 10 takes us to our thousands, again represented by our green bead. Hundredths divided by 10 is our thousandths. 1,000 multiplied by 10, 10,000s. 1,000ths divided by 10 is 10,000ths. And you can continue to the millions and the millionths place. In this presentation, after laying out the written names of the place values, we would then go on to show how we would write them. For an extension, you can take the beads away, mix up the labels, and have the student match them back together.